The Middle East has always been a region of volatility, where geopolitical tensions can ignite at any moment. In recent weeks, the world watched as a series of events unfolded, events that could reshape the balance of power in the region. This is the story of Israel's attack on Iran, Iran's retaliatory drone strike, and the unexpected role Jordan played in defusing the crisis. To understand this escalation, we must first look at the long-standing animosity between Israel and Iran. For decades, Israel has viewed Iran as its greatest existential threat, citing Iran's nuclear program and its support for militant groups like Hezbollah and Hamas. Iran, on the other hand, has accused Israel of destabilizing the region and targeting its scientists and infrastructure. In recent months, tensions reached a boiling point. Reports surfaced of Israeli covert operations inside Iran, targeting nuclear facilities and military installations. Iran vowed retaliation, and the world braced for a potential conflict. On insert date, Israel launched a preemptive strike on Iranian soil. The attack targeted a key military base near Isfahan, believed to house advanced drone technology and missile systems. The operation was swift and precise, carried out under the cover of darkness. Israeli fighter jets, supported by advanced drone technology, penetrated Iranian airspace undetected. The strike destroyed critical infrastructure and reportedly eliminated several high-ranking military officials. Israel justified the attack as a necessary measure to neutralize an imminent threat. Iran, however, condemned the attack as an act of aggression. Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei vowed revenge, declaring, "The Zionist regime will pay a heavy price for this violation of our sovereignty." True to their word, Iran retaliated just days later. Using its growing arsenal of drones and missiles, Iran launched a coordinated attack on Israel. The operation, codenamed Operation True Promise, involved dozens of drones and cruise missiles aimed at strategic targets in Israel, including military bases and key infrastructure. Israel's Iron Dome missile defense system was put to the test, intercepting many of the incoming threats. However, some drones managed to penetrate Israeli airspace, causing minor damage and raising concerns about the effectiveness of Israel's defenses. But the story doesn't end there. As Iranian drones crossed into Jordanian airspace on their way to Israel, Jordan made a bold decision. The Jordanian Air Force intercepted and shot down several drones, preventing them from reaching their intended targets. Jordan's intervention was unexpected but strategic. King Abdullah II, a key ally of the West, has long sought to maintain stability in the region. By intercepting the drones, Jordan not only protected its own sovereignty but also prevented a further escalation between Israel and Iran. The international community reacted with a mix of relief and concern. The United Nations called for an emergency meeting, urging both Israel and Iran to de-escalate. The United States and European Union expressed support for Jordan's actions, praising the kingdom for its role in preventing a larger conflict. Analysts warn that while the immediate crisis has been averted, the underlying tensions between Israel and Iran remain unresolved. The risk of further escalation looms large, with both sides continuing to prepare for potential confrontations. As the dust settles, one thing is clear: the Middle East remains a powder keg, where even a single spark can ignite a devastating conflict. Israel's attack on Iran, Iran's retaliatory drone strike, and Jordan's intervention highlight the fragile nature of regional stability. The world watches and waits, hoping that diplomacy will prevail over violence. In a region where history is written in blood, the next chapter remains uncertain. This is a story of power, retaliation, and the delicate balance of peace.